The US Department of Justice has arrested the married couple for allegedly trying to launder roughly $4.5 billion worth of stolen Bitcoin. This amount of cryptocurrency was first stolen during a massive 2016 exchange hack. It is said to be at least 120,000 Bitcoins that were stolen at the time, and are believed to be worth $65 million currently. The news released was saying that the US department officials in a press statement called it a record-shattering amount of stolen cryptocurrency, and said that they have seized at least $3.6 billion in cryptocurrency linked to the hack that they will now try to return to its rightful owners. Now, what is that couple who committed the hack and laundry, where it occurred, and also where the money was spent by the hackers? Stay with me till the end of the video, hit the subscribe button, sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. In August 2016, the Bitfinex cryptocurrency exchange based in Hong Kong reported the security breach, announcing that around 2,000 approved transactions were sent to a single wallet from users' segregated wallets. Bitfinex is the cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2012 as a peer-to-peer Bitcoin exchange, offering digital asset trading services to users around the world. Following that action, Bitcoin's trading price immediately plunged by 20%, causing the value of the stolen Bitcoin to dip to $58 million. Bitfinex had to learn about what was happening during the breach. Then, Bitfinex haunted all Bitcoin withdrawals and trading for tracking down the hack. The action taken by Bitfinex to its customers whose accounts balance was reduced by 36% was to distribute BFX tokens in proportion to their losses, including those whose accounts had not been broken. Then, the exchange's access to US dollar payments and withdrawals was curtailed. The hacking technique employed in Bitfinex might be of another level, but regardless, Bitfinex was securing the funds with BitGo, which uses multiple signature security, but the hack still happened. That was a bit about the hack. How about laundering now? Well, in early 2017, small amounts of money began to move out of the single wallet through the marketplace Alphabay to launder it. Alphabay was the world's largest underground marketplace of the darknet, providing an avenue for criminals to conduct shady business anonymously. After Alphabay was forcefully closed by international law enforcement led by the FBI, it was reported that the money was rerouted to the Russian marketplace Hydra. The shutdown of Alphabay may have gotten law enforcement access to the service's internal transaction logs to connect pieces. Now, it's time to discover the couple that allegedly committed the fraud. Listen closely. In February 2022, a New York couple, Ilya Lichtenstein, age 34, and his wife, Heather R. Morgan, age 31, were charged by US authorities with conspiring to launder the Bitcoin, which was then worth $3.6 billion US. Justice officials stated that Lichtenstein and Morgan are charged with conspiracy to launder money. The conspiracy of laundering money alone has a maximum sentence of 20 years in prison, and conspiracy to defraud the United States carries a maximum sentence of 5 years in prison. But finally, neither was accused of committing the hack. What followed was law enforcement acquiring a search warrant for a cloud storage device used by Lichtenstein. The entity obtained a spreadsheet of wallet addresses linked to the hack and their passwords. The thing that stunned the world was that these wallets had around 94,000 Bitcoin. Then, the openness and transparency of the blockchain helped law enforcement to track the money and get the passwords that allowed them to seize it. What happened is very bad. But imagine you are the one with that amount of money. Where would you spend it? Let me know in the comments section below. Now, it was reported that some of the funds were moved towards more traditional financial accounts and used on gold, NFTs, and a Walmart gift card spent on Uber rides and a PlayStation. Besides all that, hundreds of millions of dollars were converted to fiat currency, and 80% of the Bitcoin was still in the original wallet at the center of the hack. Would you like to watch a movie that entails this hack? Netflix is thinking along the same lines, ordering a documentary series that will cover the story of Lichtenstein's and Morgan's alleged crimes shortly after they were arrested. Generally, people who have less knowledge about Bitcoin would say Bitcoin is not safe, that it's prone to hackers. But to resolve the conspiracy, the Bitcoin blockchain has never been hacked since it was created. What was hacked is the centralized exchange known as Bitfinex, which offers Bitcoin sharing services as well as trading services. Are you interested in discovering the top 7 crypto stocks? Then click on the tab and we'll see you inside the metaverse.